There's a place in Portugal where time slows down, where the hills are carved by vines and kissed by sunlight, where the river weaves like a ribbon through green valleys, and every glass of wine tells a story centuries in the making. Welcome to the Douro Valley, not just Portugal's wine country, but a luxury escape crafted for those who seek peace, beauty, and refined indulgence. This is Douro Valley like a VIP, and once you've experienced it this way, there's no going back. Sleep among the vines. Forget the usual hotels. In the Douro, your stay becomes part of the landscape. Imagine waking up in a restored 18th century wine estate with your private terrace overlooking sun-drenched vineyards. Places like Six Senses Douro Valley redefine rustic luxury, where wellness, sustainability, and five-star comfort exist in perfect balance. Spa treatments infused with local herbs, wine tastings guided by expert sommeliers, and infinity pools that blend into the rolling hills. Or escape to a private quinta, a wine-producing manor, where chefs prepare farm-to-table feasts just for you, and centuries-old wine cellars open only by candlelight. Private tastings, vintage experiences. The Douro Valley is the birthplace of port, but this is more than a wine region. It's a legacy, and VIPs don't do public tours. They reserve exclusive tastings at legendary estates like Quinta do Crasto, Quinta Nova, or Graham's 1890 Lodge. You'll sample vintages not available to the public. Tour cellars carved into stone cliffs, and learn directly from winemakers who treat every barrel like a treasure. Want to go deeper? Book a master blending session where you'll create your own wine. Yes, your very own bottle, aged with your initials, delivered to your doorstep when it's ready. That's the Douro done differently. Arrive in style. Driving through winding vineyard roads is charming, but arriving by helicopter is unforgettable. From Porto's waterfront, lift off over terracotta rooftops, then soar above the winding Douro River, your private flight into wine country. Some estates offer helipads for guests who expect nothing less. Because when you're living like a VIP, time is yours to shape. And for the truly discerning, yacht transfers along the river. Cruise past the valley's steep slopes in absolute serenity, champagne in hand, watching the world drift by as a private chef prepares lunch on deck. Dining among the vines. Here, meals aren't just meals, they're celebrations of terroir. Michelin-starred dining meets traditional Portuguese soul. Dine on an open-air veranda at dock where Chef Rui Paula reimagines regional cuisine with modern flair. Or retreat to your vineyard's private kitchen, where olive oil is pressed on-site, herbs are picked minutes before plating, and every dish pairs perfectly with your host's finest vintage. Some estates even offer sunset dinners in the vineyards, lit only by lanterns, with live fado music echoing through the vines. Magic served course by course. Wellness meets wine. Luxury here is more than indulgence. It's harmony. At places like Six Senses, wellness is elevated. Start your day with vineyard yoga, breathe in eucalyptus during a forest meditation, or relax in a wine-infused spa treatment. Yes, really. Vinotherapy uses the antioxidant power of grapes for skin renewal, and you'll float out of the spa, wrapped in the scent of crushed berries and fresh air. This is self-care, Douro style. Artisan treasures and quiet charms. Beyond the wine, there's craft. Stroll through tiny villages like Provesende or Pinau, where cobbled streets reveal hidden ateliers and antique stores. Find handmade ceramics, embroidered linens, and hand-bottled olive oils. Each one a piece of Portugal, packed with heart and heritage. And if you crave a moment of pure stillness, take a sunrise walk along the riverbanks. No cars, no crowds, just mist over the valley and the sound of nature awakening. A world few ever see. The Douro isn't about flashing wealth, it's about living richly. It's where you trade noise for nuance. rush for rhythm. And luxury isn't loud, it's quiet, curated, and deeply personal. It's watching the golden hour melt into the vines, knowing dinner will be waiting just a few steps away. It's feeling history in every stone wall and flavor in every glass. It's Portugal at its finest, unfiltered, unhurried, and unforgettable. So, if you're ready to discover Portugal's most serene secret, where every detail is handcrafted, for those who appreciate the finer things, this is your invitation to the Douro Valley, not as a tourist, but as a VIP. Subscribe for more hidden luxury destinations and comment below. Would you choose the wine blending, the yacht cruise, or the vineyard spa? Your glass is waiting, and this valley has stories to tell.